A woman accused of child trafficking refuses a prosecutor's deal. Now she's going to go to trial.
Dacian Smith is joining us live with information on this story tonight. Dacian, you say the DA's office wasn't trying to take this to trial.
Yeah, that's right. They were trying to keep the victim from having to relive everything that happened to her. But Brandy McKee turned the deal down, meaning this is moving full speed ahead to a trial. Back in April, the Gulf Coast Regional Task Force arrested 30-year-old Brandy McKee and charged her with human trafficking and facilitating the travel of a child for an unlawful sex act. Prosecutors say the case involves a 13-year-old girl that McKee knew.
This was perpetrated by someone that should have been giving her a safe environment, but instead was transporting her and putting her into a very awful criminal environment and forcing her to do things against her will.
Prosecutors say McKee trafficked the child to Grover Stone in exchange for drugs and money over a period of several months. They had hoped to avoid a trial by offering McKee a deal.
After talking and having extensive communication with the child's father, we thought that that was best for not only the child but also the community as a whole to make sure that she served time.
Had McKee pled guilty to human trafficking, she would have faced a 20-year sentence split to serve 5 years, meaning after serving 5 years, McKee would have had the rest of her sentence suspended with 5 years of probation. McKee would have also had to register as a sex offender and agree to a few other terms.
No contact with the victim or her immediate family, and then a victim compensation fee and court cost, and we would null process facilitating traveling to meet a child account.
McKee turned the deal down during her status hearing, meaning the focus is now on getting the victim ready to testify during a trial.
Really getting her comfortable in this kind of situation where she's going to have to look her offender in the eye, point them out, and talk about what happened to her in grave detail.
McKee is still behind bars in Metro Jail. Whether or not she makes bond, McKee and her immediate family are not allowed to have any contact with the victim or the victim's immediate family. McKee's attorney did not want to go on camera earlier today, but says his client still maintains her innocence. That trial date is set for December 5th. Live in Mobile, Dacian Smith, Fox 10 News.